Saya masa interview saya diinterview oleh 3 orang full professors. These 3 are considered top guns of UMS. So imagine the question that they asked me. Saya mau share lah, kan kita ada masa, saya share sikit lah. What they asked me during that time, if you get the promotion associate professor, how do you make people outside UMS will recognize you? Tukar untuk dijawab, if you don't have preparation. But because of my experience, I already prepared answers for such question. And then there is one question they asked me, bagaimanakah Anda akan melakukan sesuatu kepada universiti? Sebab Anda sudah berumur sekian-sekian. Dia cakap apa yang akan kita tinggalkan lah. Kita baru mau apply, sudah ditanya bila sudah meninggalkan UMS kan. Jadi itu soalan out of the box. The point that I would like to share with you all tonight ialah, normally when we go for high position in the organization, the question is mostly out of the organization, bukan out of the box sudah, out of the organization. Macam tadi I share my experience being asked 2 questions. Satu ialah macam mana orang luar akan mengenali saya, bukan pasal UMS pun. Yang kedua, apakah yang Anda akan tinggalkan setelah meninggalkan UMS? You see, I came across with the terms, question interview level-level tinggi ni semua out of organization, bukan out of the box